expand reproduction and continue to buy boilers from EPCB. This is a boiler used by a paint factory in Central Asia, and has purchased a boiler from EPCB for the second time. As an old customer, EPCB carefully tracks all aspects of purchasing and production, and is checked repeatedly before shipping. Before preparing for delivery, the staff carefully counts the goods and prepares safety tips to ensure that all the goods are dispatched. The steam boiler adopts a horizontal 3-pass wetback fire tube structure, with automatic control and interlocking protection functions, ensuring that the boiler can operate 100% safely. The steam distribution hole on the sub-cylinder is customized to meet the needs of factory production, and the hydraulic test has been completed. Sampler is used for sampling cooling in boiler room or steam water test in power plant. The chimney is made of high-quality steel, with a corrosion-resistant coating, which greatly prolongs its service life. All goods are loaded and sent to the railway for rail shipment. All preparations went smoothly, allowing customers to put into production as quickly as possible. EPCB, your personal boiler system expert.